Welcome to our channel. If you received a new prepaid card in the mail and need to activate it, follow these step-by-step instructions to start using your card right away. Step 1. Carefully remove your prepaid card from the envelope and check for any activation stickers or instructions included with the card. Step 2. Locate the activation phone number or website URL, which is typically printed on a sticker attached to the card or included in the accompanying materials. Step 3. Visit the activation website or call the toll-free number provided. Have your card number, expiration date, and security code ready. Step 4. Follow the prompts to enter your card information, including the 16-digit card number and the CVV code on the back of the card. Step 5. Create or enter your personal identification number, PIN, when prompted. This PIN will be used for ATM withdrawals and in-store purchases. Step 6. Provide any additional information requested, such as your name, address, and social security number for verification purposes. Step 7. Review the terms and conditions of your prepaid card agreement before completing the activation process. Step 8. Once confirmed, your prepaid card is now active and ready to use for purchases, withdrawals, and online transactions. Keep your card in a safe place and monitor your balance regularly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.